Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new subject which belongs to semester 4, that is artificial intelligence. Before starting the subject, we will see which are the prerequisites to study this subject. So the prerequisites of artificial intelligence are: first is data structures and algorithms, and second one is programming. So to learn artificial intelligence in a very proper manner, you must have the basic concept should your basic concept should be cleared about data structures and algorithms as well as programming. In the last semester, you have seen what is the meaning of data structures. Data structures is nothing but the subject which tells you how to use the memory in a very efficient manner. You have used various different data structures like linear data structures, in which you have seen arrays, linked list, stack, queues, and in non-linear data structure you have seen trees and graph. So after using different types of data structures in previous semesters, I hope you have learned how to use the memory efficiently. Similarly, along with data structures, you have also seen what is the meaning of algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but the sequence of steps which we can write to solve a particular problem or solve a particular task. So before writing a computer program, a good developer should write algorithm first, because algorithm contains the proper logic to solve the problem. When the proper logic will be created to solve the problem, after that writing algorithm, your program will be properly converted into a particular your algorithm will be converted into a particular program. So after learning data structures and algorithms, you have to use different programming concepts. You can use any programming language. Like in previous semester, you have seen C programming language, which is a procedural oriented programming language. After C programming language, you have also seen object oriented programming language like Java. So, as per the curriculum, you have seen both the types of programming language. One is procedural oriented and another one is object oriented. So you should know the basic concepts to learn this very important concept or very important subject, that is artificial intelligence. So today we will see what is the meaning of AI or what is the meaning of artificial intelligence. Similarly, we will also see which are the different foundations of artificial intelligence. Foundations are nothing but the pillars of AI. So first we will start what is the definition of artificial intelligence. So what is the meaning of AI or what is the meaning of artificial intelligence? Before learning the different official definitions given by different researchers, we will break the word artificial intelligence into two words. First word is artificial and second one is intelligence. Now, what is the meaning of artificial? Artificial is nothing but the thing which is not natural, or the thing or a machine which is made by human beings, that is known as artificial. And second word is intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but a term which is related with brain, which is related with logic, which is related with process. So we can say that human have brain, human have intelligence to solve different types of problems in our day to day life. So artificial intelligence is nothing but the intelligence which is created not naturally or with the help of human beings, and it is dumped into a machine so that a machine can solve any type of problems which are solved by human beings. So we will see which are the different definitions given by official researchers to solve or to give the term artificial intelligence. So in different eras, different researchers have given different definitions. Like the first definition was given by Holland in 1985. The definition is the exciting new effort to make computers think, machine with minds in the full and literal sense. The simple meaning of this definition is nothing but an intelligent machine. Like in front of you, there is a computer or smartphone. They are having the features of artificial intelligence. They can solve complicated problems which are solved by human beings also. The second definition given by Kurzweil in 1990, the definition is the art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people. The simple meaning of this definition is the task which is performed by the people having intelligence are also or can also be performed by a particular machine. So both the definition are giving a particular term that machine should be intelligent or it can solve the problem. We will see the example in further slides also. Now we are moving towards the next definition given by next researcher in the field of artificial intelligence. The next researcher is Karniak and McDormand. They have also given the definition in 1985 that artificial intelligence is nothing but the study of mental faculties through the use of computational needs or computational models. So this definition also tells us that with the help of different computational logics or mathematical power, we can make a machine which can solve different complicated problems artificially. That is why it is called as artificial intelligence. The next definition given by Skalkoff in 1990, the definition is a field of study that seeks to explain and emulate intelligent behavior in terms of computational process. This definition also tells us that computer should possess, the machine should possess a great intelligence so that it can solve the problem artificially without taking the help of human beings. So these are the different definitions given by different researchers. I will explain you in detail what is artificial intelligence, but before explaining you artificial intelligence, we are moving towards the definitions, the official definition given by different researchers in different area. So the last definition of today's slide, which is given by the father of artificial intelligence, the very famous person John McCarthy. Why this person is called as the father of artificial intelligence? Because he was the first person who have given this concept a name as artificial intelligence. We can simply tell it as this is the concept of John McCarthy. So the definition, the very simple definition given by Sir is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. So this definition also tells us that with the help of science and engineering, we can develop a machine which can solve human problems. So machine should be intelligent. And specifically which type of machine? This machine will be computer or in the form of a computer program or in the form of a software which can solve different complicated problems of today's life so that human can feel a very easy job, so that if a certain complex problem arises in front of humans, we can pass it to a computer will solve it with the help of intelligence, and our problem becomes easy to solve and in a very small amount of time. So this is nothing but a very good definition given by John McCarthy, that the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. So sir has given a specific definition related with artificial intelligence is artificial intelligence can be related to a computer so that we can design a program which can work intelligently in an artificial manner. So I am giving you certain examples in the next slide, the best examples which we are playing it with today also with smartphones or computers also. You will see it in detail. These are the certain examples in front of your screen which can actually reflect what is the meaning of artificial intelligence. In the first image, you can see The the robots in the face of human, they are accessing the computers and they are using headphones or mics. It means that they are acting like a human being, but they are artificial. In the second image, you can see a robotic doctor having a stethoscope. He will be able to check a patient. In the third image, this is a very well known image, and it is the very well known definition of artificial intelligence. You have heard in the news that Sophia, which is the first world humanoid robot, it contains the pure concept of artificial intelligence. She can talk with you, she can give the answer of your questions, she can solve the problems of you. But it is not a human being, it is not a natural human being. It is an artificial humanoid robot. So it is also the example of artificial intelligence. I will also give you the other examples of artificial intelligence like Siri. In Apple computers and iPhones, you can see a digital assistant Siri. You can say it as, "Hey Siri," he will answer your call. You can call it as, open the screen of the mobile phone or call to a particular number. It will respond to your particular question. The second example, very good example of Android phone or Android systems are Google Assistant. You can say it as, "Hey Google." It will open your mobile phone. It will ask your questions. It will ask your answers. It will solve your problems. Similarly, Alexa, it is made by Amazon. It is also the example of artificial intelligence. You can give commands to the Alexa speaker. It will give your answers. It will perform the actions told by you. Of course, it will perform those actions which are programmed inside in it. If certain things are not programmed inside in it, that machine will not be able to solve that particular problem. So these are the various examples of today's artificial intelligence. So to make or to implement the concept of artificial intelligence in a computer system, which are the different foundations a software or computer engineer must know, which are the different concepts you must know to implement artificial intelligence in your life, or you can make a project based on artificial intelligence, or these robots, they have followed the same concepts. So from the next slides we are going to see which are the different foundations of artificial intelligence. So the foundations on which artificial intelligence completely depends upon are in front of your screen, like philosophy, psychology, biology, computer science, mathematics, sociology. On these important pillars, the artificial intelligence depends. It means that to make a machine intelligent, machine should be aware of all these things so that it can be worked like a human being. Because indirectly, in a very simple language, we are assuming that we are making a system which can behave like a human being. हम ऐसा सिस्टम बनाना चाहते हैं जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की तरह बात करे, फील करे, परफॉर्म करे, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे, वॉक करे, रन करे, कुछ टास्क परफॉर्म करे. So if you are going to make an artificial human being or humanoid robots or a certain machine which can solve the problem, your machine should know these different foundations. Now we will see each and every foundation in brief. So the first foundation is philosophy. Now philosophy is a subject you should know. Philosophy is a subject which deals with the question and answers related with reason, existence of anything, knowledge, values, mind, and language. For example, existence of an earth, existence of computer, existence of human being. So the answer of these questions are nothing but philosophy. So philosophy deals with everything related with good thing, bad thing in the life or in the human life, or we can say it as professional ethics or ethics which we have to follow to live a good and healthy life. For example, you should know that telling lie is a bad thing. So how you know? Because this is a philosophy. You have learned this. So philosophy is nothing but finding the answers why this is happening. Why? What is the reason of this question? Why this earth is existing? Why we are existing? Why computer? Who made the computer? Who made this? Who have given this concept? Artificial intelligence. John McCarthy. So these all the answers of these questions are nothing but related with philosophy. So philosophy includes values, equality, social ethics, moral values, and so on. So to create a robot, to create a machine which performs artificial intelligence, that machine must know the concept of philosophy, so that that machine can be able to find the answers of these different questions. Next foundation of artificial intelligence is psychology. Now, what is the meaning of psychology? Psychology is nothing but a subject which deals with human brain. It can tell us how human brain works, or what is the behavior, or what is the tendency of human brain in different conditions. For example, when we are going to write an exam, we become nervous. Our brain become nervous because which types of questions should be appear in the exams. So at the time of writing examinations, you are nervous, you are strict, you are serious. But at the time of sitting home watching a TV, you are casual. Your brain is having in a relaxed mode. So this type is nothing but psychology. Psychology tells you how human brain behaves. So to implement a computer system which is having intelligence, that system must know the concept of psychology. Next pillar or foundation of artificial intelligence is sociology. What is the meaning of sociology? Sociology is nothing but the subject which deals with human beings, the groups in which human beings are living, the languages they are used to communicate, the task they are used to perform in day to day life. So, sociology is nothing but the study of all these things about human beings, how they live, how they work, how they study, how they communicate, how they earn, how they study. So, these all are nothing but belongs to sociology. How they do shopping. This is also a concept of sociology. So I am giving you the best example of artificial intelligence nowadays. When we are buying certain products from Flipkart or Amazon, or we have visited at certain product on Flipkart or Amazon. Now we have visited that product. Now we have closed the browser. On some another day, we are opening the browser and we are opening some social networking sites, or we are on certain websites, and the same product which we were looking the older days, at earlier days, the same product appears in front of your screen with a new offer. How the computer knows that you are interested in that product, or why he is giving you, why it is giving you the same advertisement of that product? It is not coincidence, it is the concept of artificial intelligence, because they are studying you. These machines are studying us, in which products which we are interested, in which we are not interested, so that the list of interested products they are going to make, they are going to store it somewhere in the server, and at the time, at the same time, when we are accessing the internet on any other task or any other page, they are showing us the same type of products. So this is not the coincidence. This is the concept of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence should also know the concept of sociology, in which things people are interested, in which language people are communicate. For example, if you are communicating in Hindi, Google will respond you in Hindi. The translator is present. If you are communicating in English, they are communicating in English with us. So artificial intelligence also depends on sociology, because that concept should know in which type of languages the human communicate. So this is the very good example. The next pillar of artificial intelligence is biology. Now you know that biology is the subject related with human beings, or living organisms. It includes plants also, animals also, human beings also. So biology tells us the detailed structures of human body, plant structures, or animal body structures, and so on. Now you have a question in mind, why artificial intelligence need the logic of biology? Because nowadays in every medical field, the computers are working at a very greater extent. Computers are used to test, like in COVID, the machine is used to test whether the uh, blood is positive or not. So without help of machine today, the medical science is not working properly. So to for the smooth conduction of medical sciences, that the system should know the concept of biology, that human, what are the structures of human brain, what is the structure of human body, plant organisms, living organisms, animals, and so on. You have also heard that robots are doing surgery in out of countries. So these robots, how they are doing surgery? Because they are having the knowledge of biology, they are having the knowledge of structure of human body, so that their concepts are very clear. They are performing a surgery at a very specific, they are performing the surgery at a very perfect, in a very perfect manner. So because of this, artificial intelligence also depends on biology. The next concept, the next foundation on which the artificial intelligence depends on mathematics. This is one of the very important foundation of artificial intelligence, because you are becoming a computer engineer, and you have already seen two programming languages in the previous lectures, like mathematics and Java. And you have seen that while doing programming, while writing programming or algorithm, we should know the concept of mathematics. We have to use the concept of mathematics, because without mathematical operations, without arithmetic operations, without logical operations, a program cannot be written, algorithm cannot be written, or a machine having intelligent mind or artificial intelligence cannot be written. So mathematics is one of the very important foundation of artificial intelligence. I'm giving you a best example of mathematics. You are using Google Maps in your mobile phones. When you don't know a particular address, you open the Google Maps and you click the button start. Now Google Map is nothing but the concept of artificial intelligence. It is like a robot. It is like a robot in the form of software which is showing you the directions. So how that software is giving you the perfect direction with perfect kilometers, because it is applying the mathematical logic at the back end, that you are at 4.5 kilometers from your destination. So it is giving you the perfect route on the basis of mathematics. So this is the best example. So artificial intelligence must know or must depends on the concept of mathematics. Today, the last foundation of artificial intelligence is the main and very important concept, that is computer science. It is the name of your field. While implementing or making a machine which is having an artificial intelligence, you must know the concept of computer science, because you are developing this concept with the help of programming languages, with the help of computation, with the help of algorithm. So computer science is nothing but the subject which tells you everything about computer, how computer works, how it performs computation, how it performs calculation, how it writes, how it will be able to compile a program, how we can write an algorithm to solve a particular task. So these all concepts we are going to learn with the help of computer science. So without a knowledge of computer science, we will not be able to perform artificial intelligence. So these all are nothing but the foundations of artificial intelligence, which you have to learn by heart, because it will be a very important question in future also, in examination also. In examination, they will ask you, explain in brief which are the different foundations of artificial intelligence. So you have to mention it in brief, that these are the different foundations of artificial intelligence. Now we will see it in brief, we will revise it, and we will end the topic for today. So the different foundations which we have seen are computer science, biology, physiology, philosophy, sociology, mathematics, artificial intelligence. So these are nothing but the various foundations. So artificial intelligence depends on these different terms. So today we have seen two different concepts. First is what is the meaning of artificial intelligence, and on which pillars, on which foundations the artificial intelligence depends. So again, before ending today's topic, I am giving you the simple definition of artificial intelligence, is that a machine which is intelligent to solve a particular task. This is the concept of artificial intelligence. So today we are ending the topic here. I will solve your difficulties in the difficulty session. Thank you very much.